Have you ever dreamed of wandering through sun-kissed hills, exploring ancient cities, and indulging in mouth-watering cuisine? Well, today we're diving into the enchanting world of Italy, where we'll explore the breathtaking beauty of Florence, the rolling landscapes of Tuscany, and the romantic canals of Venice. Buckle up, because this is going to be one unforgettable adventure. Let's start our journey in Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance. Picture this: cobblestone streets lined with charming cafes, the aroma of freshly brewed espresso wafting through the air, and the iconic Duomo towering majestically above. As we stroll through the historic centre, we can't miss the Uffizi Gallery, home to masterpieces by Botticelli and Michelangelo. Did you know that the gallery was originally built to house the offices of Florentine magistrates? It's incredible to think that we're walking through a space that has witnessed centuries of history. Now, let's hop in a car and head into the heart of Tuscany. Imagine rolling hills painted in vibrant shades of green and gold, dotted with cypress trees and vineyards stretching as far as the eye can see. This region is a wine lover's paradise. We should definitely stop at a local vineyard for a wine tasting, where we can savour a glass of Chianti while soaking in the stunning views. And oh, don't forget to try the local cuisine. A plate of handmade peachy pasta with a rich ragu is an absolute must. Trust me, it's like a warm hug on a plate. But our Italian adventure wouldn't be complete without a visit to Venice. As we glide through the winding canals on a gondola, let the gentle lapping of the water soothe your soul. The vibrant colours of the buildings reflecting on the surface create a picture-perfect scene. And let's not forget about St. Mark's Basilica. Its stunning mosaics will leave you in awe. Fun fact, it took over 800 years to complete. Before we wrap up, here's a little tip. The best time to visit Italy is during the spring or fall, when the weather is mild and the crowds are smaller. And don't forget to pack comfortable shoes. You'll be doing a lot of walking. So, what do you think? Are you ready to explore the charm of Florence, the beauty of Tuscany, and the magic of Venice? Let me know your favourite Italian experience in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel adventures. Let's make those travel dreams come true together.